Okay, so we got MouseTrap going. Now I'm going to show the video after I talk here, and I'll show you something I'm going to do. But the video I'm going to show you showed the mouse. I set it up last night late, overnight. The mouse cam, the Wise mouse cam that takes a cam video in complete darkness. And I caught the little bugger, screwed up the ramp here, and he got on the lid and he was eating the peanut butter underneath the lid and not falling in. So this is obviously a smart mouse, really smart mouse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Vaseline on the inside of that lid, on the top of the lid, and a little bit on the inside so he'll fall in, hopefully. That's my plan. I already put Vaseline on the inside, so once they're in, they can't climb up. So I'm going to put more Vaseline in on the inside and then on the top. So let's see if I can do this with holding the camera one hand and doing Vaseline with the other. Alright, so I'm just going to take Vaseline here. I got Vaseline. I'm just going to put it along this edge so the little bastard won't hold on and eat my bait, just like feeding this stupid thing. So here it is. I'm rubbing it in here, so hopefully he will just fall in. He won't be able to hold on. I'm gonna go underneath the lid too. A little bit. So underneath the lid just a little bit here so he can't hold on. Because you're going to see after I'm done here, hold on, because after I'm done showing you this, you're going to see the video, the night vision camera video of the mouse actually eating the bait. Now I've got bait underneath the slit. If you watch my last MouseTrap video, I suggest if you didn't see my other video, watch that one first, then watch this one. So stop watching this one, go back to the old one, then watch this one and you'll understand more. But I'm going to Vaseline this sucker up because I don't want him eating free food anymore. Hopefully he'll fall his butt in there. If not, I'm going to have to modify this trap because I don't want him just eating free food. Alright, so there. I have Vaselined the edge. Hopefully he'll just fall right in and he won't. Hopefully now he'll just fall right in and he won't be able to just eat away for free. So watch the next video. You'll see him eating away without falling in, and then I'm going to reset the camera tonight to see if this works. Alright, so signing off.